Have you ever noticed that right before the price of Bitcoin or your favorite crypto hits a big round number, it sometimes reverses quickly in the opposite direction?
So the market cap is $2.168 trillion. And now the market, it went to zero.
Welcome to Trading Mindset. My name is Brandon. Today I'm going to show you guys a few tips based on trading psychology that could help you on your very next trade. Now back to reversing near a round number. This can be attributed to what technicians call a psychological resistance. Particular price levels can act as zones of support or resistance based on the fact that other traders are looking at the exact same level. So let's go back to the end of 2017. Bitcoin rallies ferociously, rising nearly 2,000% over the course of the year. Expectations, price predictions, and sentiment have never been higher. But in the third week of December, Bitcoin peaks just under $20,000. Fast forward to November of 2021, Bitcoin rallies again, this time approaching but not penetrating $70,000. Middle of 2021, ADA peaks at $2.50 before crashing and holding a dollar flat 3 times in a row and then rallies to $3. Same year, XRP peaks at $2 before holding a double bottom at 50 cents. May 2021, Ether holds $1,700 3 times in a row before breaking out to peak just under $5,000. But what does this all mean? Well, it certainly doesn't mean that every time Bitcoin reaches a multiple of $10,000 or Ether reaches a multiple of $1,000 that we're going to reverse. Instead, traders should be aware that we're naturally attracted to and surrounded by round numbers, simply because they're easier to understand and remember. When setting up a new trade, understand that round price numbers can act as possible support and resistance levels and should be analyzed as such, but that doesn't guarantee we'll see a reversal at those levels, and one should always consider multiple confirmations before entering a new trade. Beyond that, round numbers can be used when determining where to set sell targets and stop loss orders that beat out other traders. While the public may be expecting a run to 500, you're ensuring a fill by closing out at 480. Thanks for watching Trading Mindset. Make sure to drop us a like if you've learned something new. See y'all next week.